I will in this video demonstrate how you could visually compare linear features of drainage lines, that is where surface water will flow after a heavy rain event, with those pixels equal 0 from the depth to water raster. In able to do so, I must be able to isolate those pixels with value 0. And there is pixels here ranging from 0 to almost up to 4000. Since these are integer value, there is a value attribute table or a raster attribute table for this raster. But unlike attribute tables for vector data, if I click on the row I'm interested in, here the row for those having pixel value 0, there is no ability to select these pixels by clicking here. So I need to isolate these pixels in a different manner. What I can do is to symbolize them, not using a single band gray render type, but to use unique values. Then I need to either classify or I can add values manually. By clicking on the plus sign, I can add values individually. And 0 is the minimum unit, and this will be the first color appearing. I don't like this color very much, so I change this, double click on it to something more bluish, maybe a bit purple, to being able to separate it from the drainage line. And my experience is that I also need to click on reset here for this to be activated. Then I click OK, and the raster seems to have disappeared, but this is only because it's only those pixel values with 0 values which are showing. And these should be visible if I zoom in a little bit. And here we see then those pixel equal 0 has this more rugged staircase kind of shape. So these are the pixels, while the blue line here is the drainage line. And that seems to correspond well many places, but one difference you may notice is that the drainage lines is modeled to go around building structure, whereas the depth to water, this is then just flowing through. So, but in non-urban area, there is a very good correspondence and also a quite good correspondence for those pixel values that are 0 from the depth to water raster and the drainage lines.